Hey, what's going on, guys? Golden Gaming 2015 here with Shadow Pico
What's up?
or Wolf with Wolf. uh, Today we're going to be playing Monster Industries. We're actually recording.
Yeah, I'm recording. Let's go.
Okay. And the way this game works, I'm pretty sure you all know, but just in case you don't click it yet.
Oh, okay. All right.
Um, is uh
Come on.
is the first person to 1-5 to 15,000 stock wins? Well, 50,000, 1,000, or 750. We're going to be playing a large game. First person to 15,000 stock wins. And how you get stock is you collect paper or you kill the other person by
It'll be
spawning
easier
involving
to
them by
explain it when they
wood.
watch. So,
Yeah.
all right. So I get. Yeah, I don't get to press the button, but you do. All right. I see. All right. So
Well,
we're just gonna step on these pressure plates out here and act like we're actually
get
doing
paper.
something with our lives. But So yeah.
Yeah.
So this is our income. We'll use paper for most of the things that we use to buy or anything on this. So do get 80. So what are you gonna do first?
Me?
Yeah, you should tell your enemy what you're gonna do first. You're not gonna
Yeah,
put like
definitely
30,000
gonna do
skeletons
that.
on my side again, are you?
No. No, not at all.
So this is my second time playing this game mode, and last like 30 minutes ago was my first time, and I was trying to
I,
learn how to play, and he just starts putting skeletons on my side and ghasts and blaze.
I had a half stack of gas and a half stack of bricks.
I was hiding in my house, then he stole my inventory. Oh.
Yeah, yeah, and I tried to give it back, but then he died. He decided to die. I'm buying my first slave.
Try not to kill my. Wait, how? I'm at 64.
I spawned with extra paper.
Why do you spawn
I
with extra
spawned with.
paper? That's rude.
It was the bonus I got. Didn't you get a bonus?
I did not get a bonus. Well, not.
Oh,
Well, I got 10 spider eyes and 10 of random stuff. Doesn't matter. And I don't have 80. Well, I can't count.
I'm
Now I have
going.
80. I needed one more paper for 80. Wow, thanks game. You're in adventure mode now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Wait,
Should be.
I've been in adventure mode.
This is my slave. He'll collect paper for me, and it will be dropped into
Second
this.
slave.
Second slave? What? No, you don't need your second slave yet. No.
I do.
How? Ugh. Alright.
Where's my skeletons? Yeah. Yay, get another slave. That's three. Are you? Oh, stop doing the bones.
I'm not.
You were. I heard you.
I was jumping on the thing to get coal. Trying to figure out what coal's used for.
Coal is used for endermite
Oh.
and
What are
blazes.
endermites?
Stuff that are horrible.
They're horrible? As in, like, they'll wreck you
Yes.
horrible? Or.
Horrible as in they're annoying, but don't do very little damage.
Annoying sounds well. I mean, good. Alright, so developer room. Let me look around in here. Um. Bone generator? How do you even.
You upgraded it.
How do you even get a.
You
Well, I'm just looking at stuff. Like, how do you even get a
you
torch?
buy a redstone torch
Oh.
from the villager that's in there.
Hello, Mr. Villager. What? I can't even click on you. There we are. Oh, it costs
I'm
64. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on that.
Yes, another one, and I've got all five.
How exactly?
Well, I had 3 beginnings, then I got
How much did
what
you
was it,
start with? How much was your bonus?
only 15.
Is this all
Trust
you've
me,
done
I'm
so
good at
far?
running back and forth. What, running back and forth? Yeah, pretty much. Let's see something. Huh.
I get to run back and forth. Running back and forth is so exhilarating.
I have a gift for you,
Oh, really? I like gifts.
but I'm not sending it yet.
Oh. I'm just glad you can't send
I'm
like
not gonna send it
TNT
yet.
chests or something.
Just a chest that, a traps chest that has TNT in it.
Oh, I feel like that was like all you would do.
That would be hilarious if you could send a fake delivery. I'm gonna buy myself some steak because I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, try not to kill my steak vendor.
Yeah, I'll do that this time. Yeah, the ghasts ended up killing the steak dinner. Was it the ghasts?
I don't know what it was. It's just I couldn't do anything.
Oh.
Oh crap.
Well, I've got full iron.
You, what?
What? What?
You have full iron? Iron?
Yes, and now I can send you a gift.
Okay. Gifts are nice. It's not a gift that'll hurt me, is it?
Maybe. Depends on your definition of hurt.
I don't know what my definition of hurt is.
Are you spawning stuff in yet?
Not right now.
You spawned skellies in.
That was a while ago.
I have been inside of my house the entire time.
It was only 3 skeletons. I think you'll live.
But in case I die, tell my family I love them.
Okay.
Oh wow, that's a long paper. So guys, if you would like to see more of this, let us know. Did you like that this guy put in?
I loved it. Thank you. And you are welcome for recording with you.
You got my love note then.
I did. Oh, it was so sweet. I have 2 slaves now. This is very nice.
I am sorry, friend.
What are you about to do?
I'm not about to do anything.
Please spare me.
Come over here and beg then. Beg for me to spare you. Beg for me to spare you.
What kind of egg is that?
It's a steak. It's a steak. I'm holding a steak in my hand.
This is me begging. Please, no. Please.
Give me 2 stacks of paper.
I don't even have 2 stacks of paper.
Go collect paper. Oh.
Fine.
Go collect paper.
I have 12. Ah!
Check in the chest.
What?
It's only one. It's only one. I only had enough bones to buy one.
I have 9 bones on me. That's it. I think that's enough for like. Oh, you liar! You lied. I was about to give you paper. They're all coming.
I won't take your handouts. I don't want your handouts.
This is not right.
I had a stack and one. When I said I only had enough paper to buy one, I actually meant it. But that was after I bought a stack.
Okay, 2 down. That was a little bit more than 2, but. Oh my god. What is this? Why? I thought you loved me. Nope. I'm gonna drop my sword. There we are. What is the point of the toilet?
The what?
The bathroom.
I don't know.
Oh. No. Oh. Skeletons, why? Why so many?
So
I'm gonna aggro them.
I'm thinking I could get a something fun.
Can my skeletons fight your skeletons?
No. They will most likely kill you. Hey, fam.
Mm-hmm. How did you get in my room?
I didn't.
Not you, the skeleton. Oh, wrong button. Wrong button. No, I tried to eat my steak. Okay, I can deal with this. I hope. There we are. Okay. Why is my name Creepy Corp? I'm a porcupine. There's so many freaking arrows coming out of me. Oh, okay. Did you send me more skeletons?
Maybe.
No, I don't think you did.
How many do you see?
Still a lot.
Holy wow. I'm just looking through the glass. Oh, thank
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
you. Sent me a delivery.
I'm gonna die. I sent you a delivery?
You did?
I didn't even know I sent you a delivery.
Oh,
Is it the one that you
that's
sent me?
weird. No, it says you sent me one.
Well, like it might have bounced and hit back. I don't know. I don't know if you sent me one. You're over here? What are you doing over here?
I'm not. I'm over at my base. Thanks for all the paper, fam. And the steak. Yum.
I just saw your name.
Thank you for all the paper, fam. I didn't know you were a fan of me so much. You gave me a bunch of paper.
I gave you a bunch of paper?
Well, it came from your side. It says there was a delivery for me. So,
Oh my gosh.
like 4 stacks and 11 steak. You died again. Thank you. Thanks, fam.
Stupid skeletons.
Let's see what I can do.
So many. Where did you get all the bones from? And enough to buy all the...
You know the upgrade thing that I upgraded my
Yeah?
generator? Yeah, I upgraded my bone generator. It gives me free every time I click the lever.
Come on. Alright. Bruh.
What?
Development room is blocked.
Yeah. Do you like what I did?
No. Do not.
Oh, I can send you. I'm sending this. I am doing this because I don't like your face. I don't like your face. Are you collecting paper now?
No.
Are you fighting skellies? I just keep clicking.
So many freaking skeletons. Are they gone? No, they're not. Oh, God. And they're down there. Come on, get out of here.
Sam, I am sending you a delivery. Because I feel like I need to.
I'm occupied. That's a word now. Is there a way I can unlock that door?
No.
I'm about to die again. Oh, I can make it. I made it. Ooh.
Do you have a delivery? Check the deliveries. Go, hurry.
If I can get past these skeletons. I think all the skeletons are gone. Finally gotta get my paper. I just now got my paper. Great.
How much do you have?
No, we're not
I
stealing.
thought-
We're not stealing.
I thought I had a delivery. I thought I sent a delivery to you. Did you get it?
No, I don't have one.
Damn. You are not allowed to gain that much stuff, buddy.
Oh, I'm out. Okay.
Okay. Wow, that's a lot of stuff that you gave me. I'm just sitting up here in my room. Not really doing anything. Um, What are you doing right now?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
Nothing.
What do you mean by nothing?
Nothing.
Are you buying more stuff?
No.
Where are you?
Waiting for my slaves to get me paper. 'Cause paper is
Oh.
lit.
Okay. I'm gonna stay over this way. Actually, I'm gonna.
It was
What
invisible.
the hell?
The creeper was invisible. What?
Um, this is trippy.
What's pretty?
Trippy, it's trippy.
What's trippy?
So I went into game mode 3, okay, and I can tell you where all of the invisible creepers are. Okay?
Where all the what is?
The invisible creepers are. If you look through a creeper's, if you look through if you can see what a creeper sees if you left click on them when in game mode 3.
Just heard a creeper get hit. Ow! Can't see them. This is not right. Why does this door have to be locked? Ah, there's more.
I'm looking through the eyes of a creeper and it's on your roof.
Cool.
And it's all green. Everything is green. It looks cool.
There's a sign here. Okay. I heard the creeper. I see a creeper. Ow. And I see
Bam.
another one. And I'm dead. Oh, there were lots of them.
But
How did you die by a creeper?
I spawned one.
Oh,
I'm
I
just
don't know
spawning
where
them,
they
spawning
are.
them. Oh, yeah, invisibility potions, so you can find them.
Oh, they're here, so many of them.
You'll see so many of them if you go outside.
Not the seeing part I'm worried about. Oh my god!
What?
They're everywhere! The invisibility potion's like wearing off, I think, on some of them.
That's good. Or not. Are you sure about that?
They're like, so they're appearing next to me. Oh my god!
Hi, friend.
Oh,
Hi, friend.
I don't like you.
Hey, bam. Invis potion.
Mm-mm.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Invis potion.
How did a
Let's
creeper
go
get on your
on.
side?
Boom. It went. No, you're gonna win.
I won't.
Look at your stock. Thank you.
Can't.
Thank you.
So many creepers.
Huh.
Bruh.
You will be blind and slow for 3 minutes.
But I haven't cheated. Well, I have cheated, but it's because you cheated first.
I didn't cheat.
What are you talking about?
It's not cheating. It's called foul play.
No. All right, here, hold on. Go outside and go to your far right of the window. There's a hole. 2-block
What?
high hole.
There is?
Yeah. Are you flooding my base?
What?
And cut the power.
That's how they're getting in. Wait, can we fight each other?
No.
Let's fight.
I've been stealing all your paper.
What? Really?
I would go over to your side and take paper. I didn't put the hole there, and I saw your name on my side.
I wasn't on your side though.
I don't know, I just saw your name on this side.
I spawned a creeper, and I named it my name.
It wasn't a creeper, and it was invisible. I don't know what it was. I just know that my base is filled with water. Which is kind of good because it keeps creepers out of my base.
Yeah, that was my fault.
And there's actually one in here.
You're just dying. What?
I give up.
Why?
Because so many freaking creepers.
Oh, okay. Good game.
Oh, God. I'm actually getting paper whenever one of the creepers step on the pressure plate. I have new slaves. So, alright, I lost. What's ever.
Good game.
GG.
Yeah, we need.
I can't hurt you. Are you in creative?
I went in creative so that we could get back here.
Okay. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Let us know if you like the series or not, or if we should do anything different. Let us know if there's any game modes that we should try. Or if you want to comment, just say hey. That's fine too. And, yeah. So, talk to you guys later. Bye.